guys, we are Dave and Mindy, and we are currently going on a glamping trip, a solo glamping trip without our 4 kids. We are a family of 6, and we have toddler all the way to teenager, but we dropped them off and we have a night to ourselves. We are going to be going glamping, and we're taking you along with us.
Well, here's our little glamping adventure. Big tent on steroids. I didn't know about this trip until yesterday. My wife decided to surprise me with a little getaway from the kids and work and everyday life. So here we are. We're going to enjoy a night on our own.
Oh, this is cute. This is super cute. Wow. I love it.
So I suppose they call this glamping because you have running water, you have electricity, you're not sleeping on rocks, dirt, grass. You got a couple nice beds here for kids. Got a nice queen size bed in here. Have a nice little dining room table here.
Oh, we're stuck. Oh, okay.
Beautiful little porch out here. Making some venison burgers over the fire. What kind of seasoning we put on this?
Smash burger.
Smash burger seasoning.
We are currently cooking smash burgers over the fire, and I'm gonna make these loaded campfire nachos that David found the recipe for. And it says it only takes 5 to 10 minutes for the cheese to melt.
Give these a quick flip. Fire's getting a little too hot, so I'd raise them up a little bit.
So I'm working on assembling the, what is it? Loaded nachos. Gonna have pinto beans, corn, and then green chilies.
Cooked over fire.
Whew. This tent is basically on like a deck, just like a platform.
We're standing on a deck with a big canvas tent.
Chips, cheese, this stuff. 3 times. Man, I should have brought the bigger one. The bigger cast iron pan.
We'll just load it right up, it'll be okay. By the time we get done with this, we're gonna have bears knocking on the door.
I know, I was thinking that as I'm dripping cheese all over the place. I'm like, oh good.
Well, good thing there's all 2 of us to eat all this food. That's enough to feed a family of 6.
Yeah.
Plus our burgers. Give these one more quick flip. We'll slide these back here. I almost forgot. Bacon's almost done, cheese is almost melted, burgers are done. It's gonna be a feast here pretty soon. Once we get this stuff off, I'll throw on our load of nachos and we'll enjoy our burgers while they're hot while the nachos are cooking. Alright, I'll yank this out of here for now. Next up, the loaded nachos. I have queso and guac on my plate, and she has literally every dressing you can think of on hers. So for those of you that don't know me, I also have a YouTube channel called Davy's Logging. That's what I do for a living. I do forestry, work in the woods, cut trees, skid trees, and my wife and I wanted to make it a goal for ourselves to be able to take the kids out camping more often and just get ourselves, out of the house and exploring different areas all around. I mean, not just here. We've been to St. John, Florida, Maine, the Bahamas, and we wanted to take you guys along with us. So we started this new channel here called Beyond the Backroads. You guys are going to get videos like this that might be once every 2 weeks, maybe once a month, but we're going to try like heck, to kind of keep some sort of schedule going on to provide content for you guys and to get ourselves and our kids, especially, out of the house.
Yeah, but it is kind of weird without the kids.
It is a little weird without them.
It's so weird because it's so quiet and we're just sitting around and walking.
We're pretty much doing nothing. Hardly even talking to her. We're just mesmerized by the peace and quiet. Wondering where the chaos is. And we didn't bring it.
But I miss it.
Yeah.
But it's good to get away. Also.
I'm enjoying it.
Yeah. It's just one night.
The kids are hanging out with their cousins for the night, so they're having twice the amount of chaos.
4 times the amount of chaos.
Oh boy.
Yep. Kick that over a little bit.
That's small enough. Well, everyone, it's getting light out tonight, so we're gonna hit the hay, but we'll catch you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. We're heading out this morning. I'm gonna get a fire going first. Get some breakfast made over the fire. I poured this coffee yesterday around 2. I made a pot of coffee and poured it in my Stanley thermos. Still pretty hot, surprisingly. You know, it's not overly hot, but it's pretty warm anyways.
Instead of me bringing creamer and sugar and all that, we got this iced vanilla latte instead. This morning I am not fully awake and I went to the bathhouse because our little glamper thing over here does not have a bathroom. It only has like running water and a sink. It doesn't have like a stove or anything, which is fine because we have been cooking over the fire, anywho, and we're only here for a night. But they do have a camping kitchen here that I'll show you in a little bit. But anyway, this morning I dropped my favorite chapstick on the bathroom floor. That was really gross. So I had to throw it away because that was my favorite one too.
That's gross.
Yeah. For breakfast, we're doing breakfast sandwiches. But we've also got these smoothies here. There's one. The other one's buried in here somewhere. For breakfast, we also have muffins, a whole bag of cherries that we've barely touched, and bananas. At home, we eat these muffins all the time with coffee, but I don't think we're gonna do that today. We're getting packed up, kind of. Last night we had this heater here that we brought from home that completely saved us because it was like 54 degrees out. And like, as you can see, we're basically just on a deck.
This is a beautiful morning out here. Yesterday was a little windy, a little bit colder than what we've been used to. It's been in the 80s most of the time, but we had some storms roll through and cool things off pretty nice. But usually I always start my mornings off with coffee. Got some bacon going right now. I always like to do the bacon first in the pan when we're out camping because it gets all that grease inside there, so when you do the eggs don't stick to it. That's pretty good. Give me 1 second. This grate that you guys saw me cooking with last night, we got this at Crystal Rock Campground in Ohio. And if you're interested in it, this is what it's called. Very handy for taking it places and cooking on. It's probably one of our favorites. We've had this thing for years.
So this camping kitchen isn't far from our tent at all, but I thought this was pretty cool because when I stayed at this campground before, they never had this, but that was like almost 15 years ago. So anywho, walk in, it's a light. There are 2 stovetops, toaster oven, a nice sink, coffee pot, lots of pots and pans to share, cooking utensils, garbage, and then even a little spot to sit. So I thought that was pretty nice. Got a fire extinguisher in here in case something happens. But yeah, so I thought that was really cool to offer because I've never seen one of these offered at a campground before, and we've camped a lot over the years. And there's our spot, so it's not too far. The bath house is attached to it, so there's 2 showers and toilets over here. And then there's 2 more on the other side also.
Well, if you have kids and they like camping, this place here has a little sand pit, a little playground, really nice swimming pool that's heated. Never seen this game before, but carpet balls, a big jump pad. They have a big water slide over there. They have a little splash pad on the other side of the pool.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now they're looking up. I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough.
Well, that's it for today's camping video. If you guys want to watch more camping videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And 99.9% of the videos are going to be with our kids, so get ready for the chaos. Anyways, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.